Alright, in this demo right here, I'm going to show you how the pump down works with the automatic pump down. So basically, you have your thing right here. Don't worry about this. We're going to have to replace the TC. For some reason it's reading high right now, but that's for your cryo. But if you want to go ahead and go to, we can go to manual first. I want to put the carriage or load lock over. So I'm going to hit this button and you'll see that this transfers over to here. I'll put this back over to auto. And then I want to click this over to vent. As you can see, it pushed. I also want to shut off your gauge up here. And now it just vented the chamber. This is pretty much staying the same. So we know that it's not leaking. And with this vent being open, it's allowing to vent the top of the chamber from here on up, which is just from here on up. While this thing is venting, I also want to show you that we do have 3-inch planetaries for you. So I got it right now set at 3 and 6, and the one below that is your that is for your 4-inch, and then we will be sending these two, which is the 6-inch right down here. So all 3 of those will be sent to you. Here is, you can hear, and this is your TC for reading your temperature. So I open it, I'm going to close it, and then what I'm going to do is put this on pump. Got to have my pump on, and what it's going to do now is it's going to pump down all the way here to about 40 millitorr, and then it will change over to the high vac. As you can see, the cryo is down to 13 Kelvin. As you see, it's pumping down fairly quick. Now just shut off the roughing. And it just opened up. There you go. Now it just opened up a high vac. You can see the gauge is going down. I can turn on the filament back again, and you can see it's under high vac again. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it manually. Basically, you just go over here, put this to manual, going to go it and flip the gate, the high vac gate up. So I closed it. Oh wait, I want to leave this open. I want to close above the high vac isolation valve. Shut this off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to vent the system as a whole, but keep the cryo still under vacuum. So now I can do is hit vent. As you can see, this still has not moved up, so now just to go through these valves real quick, this is your roughing valve. So if you look at over here would be your roughing valve over here, which would rough the top of the chamber. Then you have your 4-line valve, which your 4-line valve is what's used to pump down on your cryo. You got your high vac isolation valve, which is right above the cryo. Then you have your other high vac valve, which is for your load lock. You have your vent, which is right up here, which is venting your system. Then you have your gate, which is what slides back and forth inside the chamber, which I'll show you once it opens up. And then that's just your rotation. Alright, now I hear the air coming through here. So this right here is your gate valve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this switch, and you'll see that slide over, and it brings a sputter shield. This is a sputter shield that slides over that protects the sealing surface of your gate valve for your load lock gate valve. So I can close it back up. And this bar right here is to allow gas to come in, which is tied into the side over here, that you can go ahead and put your gas to. And that's pretty much the end of the demo. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email me, and I'll do what I can to satisfy any of your questions.